can start this one. Oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, guys, this is really beautiful. I'm not dimming it for you guys. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. This is how much I can take. Oh my god, guys. I'm doing this for you guys. You guys been commenting about me so far. I couldn't do it yet because it was not ready yet. So, oh my god, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not really going to protect John. Looking as far. Yeah, guys. I really couldn't. Oh my god. Oh, wow. That is beautiful, guys.
What? Did you see the heart, Mary? Please do the heart again. I got it there. I got it straight.
Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. You guys can see. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This is beautiful. This video hasn't been going long. It's only been 1 minute. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my god.
DJ, look. He's over here, Mary.
They're coming down. They're coming down right now, guys. Let me show you. And there goes Pops.
This is just so wonderful. Christy, see
Yeah,
that?
it was beautiful.
Look, Mary, you see it?
Lucky for me, guys, I have enough storage for me to watch videos. My cousin Christine cannot because she has no storage because of Microsoft. So yeah, guys, so if you guys are watching this video. Guys, I might be quiet for a little while until I get back in the car. I'm going to tell you guys when I get back in the car. Okay, guys, I'm just going to let you guys watch these fireworks because they're really good. Look at that.
There's a smiley face. You missed it.
Guys, tell me in the comments below if you can see this. Just guys, you guys gotta change my YouTube channel to Michael Johnson McCollum. That's Michael Johnson / McCollum. Here we go again, guys. I'm trying to keep up with them. That is pretty dope. Pretty dope, I'm gonna say, guys. Pretty dope, I'm gonna say. That was beautiful. That was big, guys. Boom. I'm gonna take it back for you guys. I think it's because they're zoomed in a lot. I'm gonna take it back for you. There we go, guys. Oh my god, now you guys can see a lot better. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Like I was thinking just taking pictures and putting it on Instagram. But no, I'm going to be posting this on Instagram as well. And awesome. YouTube. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Really hope you guys are. I really love you guys. Happy 4th of July 3rd. Happy 4th of July. Happy 3rd of July, guys.